Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your thumbnail, or maybe you've not even added a thumbnail to your video. I'm going to teach you how you can add a thumbnail to your video, or how you can change the thumbnail on your video. Let's be honest, the thumbnail is the first thing that people are going to notice about your video. Even you, if you're selecting a movie and you don't say catchy pack that the video comes in, are you going to want to watch that video? No, you're not going to want to watch it. So that's the main thing. Why do you think in movie industry they put the celebrity on the front screen, on the front page of their video or a novel? So that's exactly what we're doing here, because your thumbnail is the first thing that is going to tell. Maybe someone is going to enter your video and watch it, or maybe they are not going to watch it. So I already made a video on how you can make a thumbnail fast on CapCut. I already make the video on it. I'm going to leave it maybe here or here. I'm going to leave it there so that you can get to watch it and know how you can quickly make a thumbnail within 5 minutes. So let me teach you how to add it to your video, to your, maybe when you're uploading a video on YouTube, or after you finish uploading a video on your YouTube. You can do this even to your videos that are not doing well. It's going to revive those videos. If you change the thumbnail or the title, it might revive it. So if you see that you posted a video and it's a really good video and you really want people to watch it, if people get to watch it, YouTube is going to push it out more to people. Let me tell you, maybe that's something that you used. Maybe that's the reason why nobody's clicking and watching that video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change your thumbnail. Go back to all those old videos and change them, switch things up, change the title. So even you, if you're searching for a movie, you are going to be searching for maybe 2025 movie, because this is the year that we are in. We're in 2025. So nobody's searching for 2024, 2023 movie, because things might have gotten upgraded. So you want to change that title or that thumbnail, that whole title for the past years. Do you get? Maybe you put on your thumbnail, you put how to do this in 2024, and now that we are in 2025, people might not want to click on it because they are seeing other people that made their own in 2025, that their own is new, that they are showing new method. So you want to switch that video up, you want to change that thumbnail. Without further ado, let me show you exactly how you can do it. So let me start my screen record so that you can see exactly how I'm going to do it. So this is how you can change or add a thumbnail to your video. Let's say you already posted the video. So you're going to go to your Chrome. There are two ways in which you can do this. You can do this on your YouTube app, or you can do this on your browser. So let's say we are using our desktop version first. Then after this, we're going to go to how you can do it on your YouTube app. So you're going to look for the video here. You're going to go to your content and you're going to look for the video. So let's say this is the video I want to add a thumbnail to. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So this is the thumbnail part. You can click on these three dots. If you click on these three dots that is showing on top of the picture here, you can change your thumbnail. So you click on change thumbnail and you look for the picture that you want to put on your thumbnail. Once you see the picture, let's say I'm putting this picture now, you click on it, it's going to mark it. You're going to click on done. So once you click on done, it's going to show you uploading. Once it is uploaded, you can now save it. So we are done with this first method. Once you click on save, automatically you've uploaded your thumbnail to your video, you've added it to your video, and you can also change it here. So you just click on change, these three dots rather. So once you click on these three dots, you click on change and you change it. So this is it for the first method. Let's now go to our YouTube app. So once you go to your YouTube app like this, you're going to look for your YouTube app. Once you get there, click on it. Look for the video that you want to add a thumbnail to. So let's say I want to add a thumbnail to, let me look for a video and just add it. Let's say I want to add a picture to this video. I want to add a thumbnail to this video here. So you're going to click on the three dots beside this video, beside this title. So once you click on it, you're going to click on the pencil icon. That's the edit button. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on that pencil icon on top of it, on top under that edit video. Can you see it? So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. So this is the page. You're going to change it. You're going to change the picture here. So you click on the picture that you want to use for the thumbnail. This is me clicking on it. Then you click on done. Once you click on done, it's going to bring you here. Then you click on save again. Make sure you click on save. If you don't click on save, it's not going to be saved. So once you click on save, that means that thumbnail has already been added to your video. Thank you for always watching my video. Please click on the subscription button and the notification button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. You don't want to miss any of my video because I'm going to be giving you value for your time. And you know I don't gatekeep over here. So if you're a new YouTuber, you have to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for always coming back to my video and have a wonderful day. Bye.